Today we're reviewing the Joyroad HP RX3, a high-performance summer tire designed for drivers who want balanced performance, confident grip, and comfortable daily driving. The HP RX3 features a precision asymmetric tread pattern with optimized shoulder blocks and wide circumferential grooves that improve contact with the road, enhance water evacuation, and reduce the risk of aquaplaning on wet surfaces. The advanced rubber compound combines high-quality polymers and silica to provide reliable grip in both dry and wet conditions, improved wear resistance, and stable performance across a range of summer temperatures. Many drivers praise the HP RX3 for its responsive steering and stable handling, noting confident braking and predictable behavior whether cruising on the highway or navigating city streets. Users often comment on the tire's smooth ride quality and relatively low road noise for a high-performance model, making everyday commutes and long drives feel more comfortable. Feedback frequently highlights the tire's good balance of traction and durability for its price segment. Here's a useful insight. The internal belt construction of the HP RX3 is engineered to maintain consistent tread contact across the entire footprint of a tire. This helps distribute pressure evenly, which supports even tread wear over time and contributes to a longer service life, giving drivers value for money and lasting performance. In summary, the Joyroad HP RX3 is a solid choice if you're looking for a summer tire that combines confident grip, agile handling, and everyday comfort. If you've used these tires on your vehicle, drop a comment below and share your experience.